Think about it. Where is the absolute busiest place on the campus? I think it is the University Parcel Pickup Point. It is a massive, high-traffic hub where workers are constantly receiving, sorting, and delivering parcels to hundreds of us every single day. And let me tell you what, it is not a chill job. As you can see here, these workers are in a non-stop, fast-paced environment. They're juggling long student queues, scanning barcodes back to back, and keeping shelves completely organized. And it is a massive daily operation.
So the hazard, it can be divided into two main categories, which are ergonomic hazard and also psychosocial hazard. So firstly, ergonomic hazard. Ergonomic hazard are related to the way on how people perform their work, especially tasks that involve repetitive movement, awkward body posture, or also handling heavy loads. So at the parcel collection point, workers often have to bend down to pick up parcels, scan items repeatedly, spend long hours looking at the computer screen, reaching for items on high shelves, lifting heavy parcels, and also sometimes working in poor body posture. So over time, these tasks they can put strain on our muscles and joints, which may lead to musculoskeletal disorder, which is also known as MSD, such as back pain, muscle strain, and also physical fatigue. Next is the psychosocial hazard. So this type of hazard it is related to the mental and emotional demands of a job. So at the parcel collection point, workers often have to manage a high number of parcels while serving long queues of students. So this would create a time pressure and also increasing the workers' workload, which would make them feel stressed and also mentally tired. So as a result, their concentration may decrease, which may lead to an increase in the risk of accidents to occur in the workplace.
Reaching for parcels stored on high shelves require workers to stretch their arms above shoulder level or stand in an unstable position. The risk increases when parcels are heavy, bulky, or retrieved repeatedly. These conditions may contribute to shoulder, neck, and upper back strain, loss of balance, or parcels falling during retrieval. The risk level is moderate due to moderate likelihood and moderate severity. Retrieving parcels stored at floor level may cause workers to bend repeatedly, squat, or lift heavier parcel with incorrect posture. The risk becomes greater when the parcel is heavy or when the movement is performed frequently. This may lead to lower back strain, knee discomfort, muscle fatigue, and poor lifting posture. Risk level remains medium due to moderate likelihood and moderate severity. A manual handling hazard is present, particularly when the parcels that are carried are unevenly distributed or block the worker's view. Carrying excessive loads may result from time pressure or an attempt to reduce the number of trips, while carrying a large and heavy box may be due to absence of trolley to bear the weight. Possible consequences include muscle strain, dropped parcels, collisions, and trips or falls. Risk level is moderate due to moderate likelihood and moderate severity. Poor monitor height, unsupported wrist, prolonged sitting, and staring at the screen may increase the risk of neck, shoulder, wrist, and eye discomfort. Prolonged screen use may also contribute to headaches and mental fatigue. Risk level is high due to high likelihood and moderate severity. Peak hour causes high workload and time pressure placed on workers to retrieve parcels quickly and accurately, which increases when staffing is limited, parcels are difficult to locate, or customers become impatient. This may lead to stress, mental fatigue, reduced concentration, and errors. It may also cause workers to rush, which can increase the likelihood of poor lifting posture, drop parcels, or collisions. This level is moderate due to moderate likelihood and moderate severity.
We look at OSH laws and regulation and how they help keep the workplace safe, especially for safety staff. First, the Occupational Safety and Health Act requires employers to provide a safe working environment. It also ensures workers receive proper training and can report any hazard. Our university support this through its own policy. University require regular inspection and carry out risk assessment to identify and reduce risk, making all procedure are clearly documented so every staff member understand how to work safely, especially at a parcel pickup counter. Next, let's look at the main OSH laws and regulation. We have the OSH Act 1994, the OSH Amendment 2022, High Rate Guidelines Economic Risk Assessment 2019, and our university's OSH policies and SOPs. These are important because they form the foundation of a safe working environment, especially for parcel pickup staff. So these laws require employers to provide a safe workplace. These include a proper training and a system to report hazard. These are not just guidelines; they are legal requirements that protect both workers and the organization. Our university also followed these rules through its own policy. These include regular inspection, risk assessment, and clear procedures. All of this help maintain a safe and well-managed workplace. In short, these laws are not just rules; they help create a culture of safety where everyone plays a role.
I will explain the recommended control measure for economic and psychosocial hazard that we have identified at Miku parcel pickup point. First hazard is reaching for parcel on high shelves. From the hierarchy, we use engineering controls and administrative controls. For the engineering control, install adjustable shelving and frequently collect or heavier parcels should be placed between waist and shoulder height. A stable step platform with handrails should also be provided so workers can safely reach the upper shelves. For administrative control, parcels should be arranged according to their size and collection frequency to reduce unnecessary reaching, and workers should be trained on safe reaching techniques. The second hazard is bending to retrieve parcels. The engineering control is raise the lower storage level by using pallet stands or adjustable racks to reduce excessive bending. For administrative control, heavier parcels should always be stored at waist level, and workers should be trained to use proper lifting technique, such as bending their knees, keeping their back straight, and holding the parcel close to their body. So, for the third hazard is carrying parcel box to reduce manual handling. Engineering controls, we provide trolleys, carts, or roller conveyors, and improving the workplace layout to reduce carrying distance. For administrative controls, we include setting manual handling weight limits, rotating tasks, and providing manual handling training. Workers should ask for help if handling a heavy parcel alone. So for this hazard, as for PPE, workers should wear safety shoes with slip-resistant soles and gloves to improve grip while handling parcels. So next is prolonged computer use. For engineering controls, we provide adjustable chairs, adjustable desks, monitor stands, and ergonomic keyboards and mouse. The monitor should also be positioned at eye level with proper lighting to reduce glare. For administrative control, workers should take short micro breaks every 20 to 30 minutes, do simple stretching exercise, and rotate between computer work and customer service tasks. So, lastly, a lot of customers during peak hours can cause work-related stress to workers. For engineering controls, we suggest the service counter layout can be improved to reduce congestion and provide a more comfortable waiting area with clear signage. And for administrative controls, scheduling additional staff during peak hour, using an electronic queue management system, implementing standard operating procedure, and providing training on stress management and effective customer communication to workers.
Now, how do we actually improve these high-stress environments? It starts right here. We must prioritize worker well-being. We are not just talking about the checklist. We need to actively protect these workers by introducing them to the proper ergonomics to reduce physical strain, providing training, and creating a truly supportive environment. But it doesn't stop with management. We need to foster a massive safety culture across the entire campus. This means building an environment where safety is everyone's responsibility. From the supervisor managing the floor right down to the university community and the students that waiting in the line. When we look out for the workers, the whole system runs better.